Hello, I'm Matt the Beauty Shaper, and in this video I'll be talking about nutrient preservation and cooking practices. But first I'd like to ask you to like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. This video will explore the different cooking methods that affect nutrient content of foods with a particular focus on vitamin retention. Boiling, simmering, and poaching are water-based cooking methods that are commonly used for vegetables. However, these methods can cause significant losses of water-soluble vitamins such as vitamin C and the B vitamins. For example, boiling reduces vitamin C content more than any other cooking method. Broccoli, spinach, and lettuce may lose up to 50% or more of their vitamin C when boiled. Grilling and broiling are dry heat cooking methods that are popular because of the great flavor that they give, but up to 40% of the B vitamins and minerals can be lost during the grilling or broiling when the nutrient-rich juice drips from the meat. Microwaving is a quick and convenient cooking method that can help retain nutrient content of food. For example, microwaving fish preserves the omega-3 fatty acid content more significantly than frying. And roasting and baking are dry heat cooking methods that are commonly used for meat and vegetables. These methods can help retain the nutrient content of food, especially if the food is cooked at lower temperatures for a longer time. This covers the different cooking methods and how they affect the nutrient content and retention of foods. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. And remember that the food you eat is an essential part of your life, and it's important to preserve its nutrients as much as possible while cooking. By following the tips and tricks shared in this video, you can ensure that you and your loved ones are getting the most out of your meals. So let's cook with care and enjoy the goodness of nature. Until next time, happy cooking!